motherfucking day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I work hard, I work hard. I never meant to leave you hurting. I never meant to.
Hey, what's up guys, I am Chinkei and here I have a charger from the brand Oraimo. Okay, it looks so nice, right? It comes with a good packaging also. So this is charger whose output is 2.1A and it is also a fast charger. It also comes with 2 USB port and 1 LED indicator, and it has a premium design. Let's see its feature. Okay, let us first open the box. Okay, it comes like that. Yeah, so guys, this is the bill which we have paid for this product. It costs around 400. The original price of this product is 600, but we got it by 400. In Flipkart also you can get it by 400. I have given the link of this product in the description. You can buy directly from Flipkart. At this price, we got a good product with 2 USB ports, 1 LED indicator and 2.1A output through this charger, and it comes with a USB cable. The quality of USB cable is all good. So guys, if you like my video, just give a like. So here is the branding Oraimo. And so guys, thanks for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.